guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. I apologize for the way that I look. I was just out shopping and you guys, it is hot out. We had a little bit of a fool's autumn last week where it got down into like the 60s and 70s. And I knew it wasn't gonna stick around. It's like 90 degrees outside today. So, oh boy, is it hot. But I wanted to get on here and share with you some things that I picked up today, do a little haul. I took some me time. I wanted to just kind of meander around the store a little bit, get some exercise, and pick up a few fun things for myself. So I hit up Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I got some beauty stuff and some stationery, planner stuff. So I want to share it with you guys. I'm not going to continue to show my face though, because I know I look a hot mess. So I'm just going to turn the camera around, show you everything I picked up sort of vlog style. So if you guys are interested in beauty products and stationery and the like, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I have a Hobby Lobby bag and a couple of Walmart bags here. I think I'm going to go through all of the beauty items first, and then we will take care of the stationery and planner stuff at the second half. So I bought all of my beauty products at Walmart. I have really wanted to get back into wearing makeup. I used to wear makeup every single day, and then I went through a bout of depression and didn't wear it at all for almost a year. And now I'm just kind of back to wearing it sporadically, but a lot of my products that I've had for a really long time have expired. You know, some of that makeup I bought, golly, 10 years ago or so, so I need to go through and do a really huge declutter of my makeup. But for now I just wanted to pick up a few products that I needed. So let's go ahead and get into that with this Walmart bag here. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and took everything out of the bag so it wasn't crinkling while I was trying to share everything with you. I just picked up a few things. I didn't want to go overboard until I know for sure that I'm going to be back to wearing makeup on the regular, but I did want to pick up a few things that I needed. Mainly foundation. I have a couple of different foundations in my collection, but like I said, it's over a year old, so probably not the greatest idea to be smearing that stuff all over my face. So I picked up the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This was always my favorite. I love the dewy and smooth finish. I do have dry skin, so it's really nice on my dry skin. It doesn't look too powdery or cakey or anything on me. It's sort of a medium coverage. I wasn't really sure about shade anymore, but I did pick up number 115 Ivory. I'm not sure what I was wearing before. I wanted to get something that would match my skin but not be too dark come winter when I lose the teeny tiny little bit of tan that I have managed to acquire over the summertime. So I thought this would be a good shade. It's been a really long time since I wore foundation, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. So it's gonna be interesting getting back into the habit of doing that, but I wanted to pick that up. And also I wanted to get a pressed powder. I used to use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder all the time. So I just picked this up. It's in the shade Translucent. Like I said, I do have dry skin, so I don't want a super matte finish, but I find that this gets rid of any shine in areas that I don't want it on my face, like under my eyes and whatnot, with the dewy and smooth foundation. Sometimes it can be a little shiny, so picked up that just to set that foundation with. My favorite mascara of all time is the Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I've bought more tubes of this than I can count over the years. My tube was pretty old, so I wanted to pick up a new one of those. And then lastly, I just wanted some fun lip products. Even if I wanted to use some of the lip glosses and things that I currently have, I don't really have a lot. I went through and did a humongous makeup purge a few years back and got rid of a ton of stuff. So I was down to just like 1 or 2 lip glosses. So I wanted to pick up a lip gloss, and my Walmart now carries Milani products, which they never carried before when I was buying makeup on the regular. So I wanted to pick up a couple of the Milani lipsticks to try. So for lip gloss, I picked up this one from e.l.f. If you guys used to watch my beauty videos, you know that I was obsessed with e.l.f. products. I really love them. They're affordable. And when I saw this lip plumping gloss, I thought that this was very interesting. And I really, really loved the color, so I wanted to give that a try. It's in Sparkling Rose. And then for lipsticks, I chose 2 very neutral colors. These are kind of classic colors that I've had in my makeup collection over the years, I always tend to go for these shades. But this is the Milani lipstick in Nude Cream, and this one is in Pretty Natural. So I wanted to give those a try. If you guys are interested in seeing like a get ready with me video using some of these products, I haven't done a video like that in years, but I'd be happy to, so let me know. So I think that was everything from the beauty aisle. I spent a long time wandering around Walmart looking at all of the different beauty stuff, and I have a nice little start to a little bit of a makeup collection again, which I'm excited about. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and pull out all of the stationery stuff. I hit some clearance items at Walmart and picked up a few things at Hobby Lobby as well, so I'm going to pull that all out and share it with you next. Alright you guys, here we go. So this stuff is the Walmart stuff, and this is the stuff from Hobby Lobby. I went down the clearance aisle at Walmart. I tend to do that pretty much every time I go to Walmart, but I hit some fun stationery items, some school supply type things that I was pretty excited about. So first is this washi tape. I haven't bought washi tape in a long time. I have a ton of it. I don't use it a ton anymore, but I could not pass up the $1 price tag for all of these beautiful washi tapes. These are from the Pen & Gear brand. There are 5 tapes in here. That little floral. This one says, "Okay, Monday, let's do this." There's another little floral there, the black and gold polka dots. And then this one is a little floral one that says, "Enjoy today." So for $1, I could not pass that up. Also for $1, I picked up this huge thing of ruled index cards. I like to use these for writing out notes. If I'm going somewhere and I need to leave my husband a little note, or to write out to-do lists, or just to have on hand. The kids can always use these for studying and whatnot. There's 100 white ones and 100 neon ones. I thought this was a great deal, so for $1, I picked it up. Alright, you guys know how much I love my Happy Planner, and you know how much I love little list pads, so this was the best of both worlds here. It's just a little paper pack. This is for the mini Happy Planner, and it's just some little to-do list pages. This is so much to do. This was marked down to $2, and there's actually a couple of different papers in here. So yeah, the blue one says so much to do. There's this little kind of corally one that says just some thoughts. This orangey colored one that says my brilliant ideas. And then the purple one that says killing it. So I thought that was great to have for just popping into my planner if I want to have a to-do list for the day. I picked up this little Pen & Gear one subject notebook in a pretty purple color. These are still marked down to $1 from back to school time, and I've been needing a notebook just to kind of write out some various things, so why not? You can never have too many notebooks. Just a spiral bound notebook, didn't need to be anything fancy, so there's that for $1. And then I picked up these little Happy Planner packs. This is the Everyday Planner Accessories. I'm going to pull everything out of here and show it to you individually, but that is a look at that. I paid $4 for that. Alright, so this says it has 93 pieces. So opening it up here, it has a couple of little sticky notes that you can pop right into your planner, which is awesome. You also get a super cute little notched bookmark that you can put into your planner. This is just a little sheet of stickers, so you have some various headers. Important today, remember, appointment, that sort of thing. Little doctor's appointment stickers. I love this style functional sheet. It has this little pocket folder in here that says make today awesome, and it's got the little sprinkly design on it. And then in here also has a little paper pack. This is what I was most excited about. I love the various little papers from the Happy Planner. I love the different designs and whatnot. I find these super handy. So this one has top priorities along the side, boxes 1, 2, and 3, and then it has some dot grid paper here as well. And on the back it just says do all the things. There, you can see it there. So thought that was super cute, and that'll definitely come in handy. And then there was another one of these little planner accessory packs. This is the teacher pack. I'm obviously not a teacher, but I think that there's going to be plenty of things in here that I can definitely use. And again, this was marked down to $4. This is 121 pieces. So let me go ahead and pull this out and show you everything that's in here as well. Alright, so much like the first one, you have a couple of sticky notes. I love the little apple and the little pencil on there, so cute. And then you also get this little paper clip bookmark, which is fun. There's a little sheet of stickers as well. It says teach, encourage, instruct, mentor, praise, influence, inspire. There's some staff meeting stickers, teacher's rule, the cute little owls and glasses. How adorable are those? And some various school-related stickers, which I can definitely use because my kids are in school. There's this little teacher's rule folder. This would be great in like get you one of those happy notes and put this together with some of the teacher stuff for a teacher gift. How cute would that be? I might do that. This is classroom events and volunteers. This is adorable. I think this is super handy. And then you get a classroom checklist and the various spaces for that. Obviously, I can use this if I just cover up the classroom checklist part. So that'll be super handy. And then these ones are blank. They don't have any sort of header on them. It's like a, you know, 2-page spread there. So I think those are super cute. You get a couple of those. And then there's some other ones here as well. Let me see here. It says, teachers gonna teach, which is super cute. Again, I'm not a teacher, but I can absolutely use this. The back is just lined. Super cute. I am in love with this. I think this is so adorable. Oh, and there's more. There's also this one that says pencil it in. So cute. So I'm definitely going to get use out of that. So that was it from Walmart. Let me go ahead and get all this stuff kind of put back together and cleaned up, and I'll pull over the items I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Alright, you guys, now I have my Hobby Lobby items. This little Happy Notes notebook I thought was so beautiful with the gold foiling on it. I couldn't walk away from this. Like I said, you guys know how much I love the paper packs and the various notebooks and stuff. I just could not help myself. I thought this was beautiful. So this was $12.99, but I did have a 40% off coupon, so I did not pay that much for it. And in here it has, I think 80 sheets. Yep, 80 notebook sheets, and let me show them to you because they're super cute. Again, just live for this sort of thing. Alright, so it has 4 little tab dividers. This one says it's not about having time, it's about making time. And then the pages, oh, there's the back of that divider, super pretty. And the pages are things that you need to do around your house. So it says the last time you washed sheets and bedding, cleaned out the fridge, got the car and oil change, got a physical, cleaned out the closet, and then there's a bunch of spaces here to continue that line of thought. So these are sort of like journaling pages. You got a couple of dot grid options here, some various boxes you can fill in, goals, habits. I think those are super fun. And then you move from there just into some various dot grid pages, so you can use these for anything you want. And then it moves on to another pretty little tab divider. This one says focus on what matters. And then again you have the last time you sheet. This is the back of that tab divider. So pretty. This is not new, you guys. These have been in stores for a while. I know that there are some people that buy all of the Happy Planner stuff like the second it gets released and do huge flip through videos, and those are so much fun. But you guys, I don't have the time, energy, or motivation to be like stalking my Hobby Lobby for new stuff. I was in a planner group and I was seeing last week that a bunch of people went to Michael's and found all of this type of thing, various planners and whatnot. Different planner kits that were mega clearance for like 39 cents a piece or something, and people were going out of the store with whole carts full of these planner kits for, you know, like $12 for the whole cart. Craziness. I cannot imagine the work that it takes to find those sort of deals, and you know, there's people that collect every single sticker book and whatnot. That's not me. You'll never probably find like brand new huge hauls on my channel. I just kind of go in and buy what's on clearance and buy what I like and what I need. So these things are not new by any means, but they're new to me. So yeah, there's that. So you have this tab divider that says great things can happen when you have the courage to be yourself. And on the back is the little polka dot starburst things. And then again with those same papers. And lastly, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Oh, look at how beautiful those colors are. And again, more paper. So I love the paper packs. This is a great way to get lots of filler paper and also get yourself some really beautiful covers and rings. All of this stuff is interchangeable, which is what I love about the Happy Planner, because I have so many various folders and rings and covers, and it's all interchangeable. You can use it all together. Next up, I just picked up some more plain filler paper. I've gone through so many of these. This is just 20 sheets of notebook paper, 20 sheets of graph paper, and it fits right into your little happy notebooks or your planners, and it's perfect. Lastly, I picked up this. It was on the clearance rack. It's a beautiful hardbound sketchbook by The Fine Touch, and it was marked down to $2.25. I picked this up for Robbie, my son, who absolutely loves to draw and draws all over every single notebook I have ever bought him. Covers of notebooks. He just is drawing 100% of the time. Oftentimes on things that he shouldn't be drawing on, like himself, his desktop, that sort of thing. He just always has the urge to draw. So anytime I find notebooks like this on sale, I always pick them up for him because he fills these up in no time. So that is my little stationery haul. I got lots of fun stuff to play with now, as well as all of those beauty products, which I'm super psyched about. It was really nice having a little me shopping day and picking up all these things that I really enjoy. I do a lot of shopping these days for my family, and I don't often go and splurge on myself, so very excited about all of these items. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what sort of drugstore beauty products you're really interested in nowadays. I'm so out of the loop with that whole thing. I don't know what's good. I don't know what's terrible. Hopefully none of the items I picked up today are in the terrible quality. I didn't do any research. I just went and kind of grabbed what I thought looked good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, like I said, and I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye!